Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a doing my makeup with my left hand challenge. It could go one or two ways, either like kind of good or really bad. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, go ahead and keep on watching. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Nicole. I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and join us. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get right into the video. I'm gonna go ahead and do this brow first. How's that? Oh, that was hard. That wasn't too bad. It's better than what I thought. Blend that out, and usually I can get more precise with like another brush, but I don't have time really to do all that. So I promise I will not use anything in my right hand, even off camera. I'm going to do it this side now, off camera, with my left hand, and I will not use my right hand, and I'll be back. So now I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors Jazzy and Katie Friendcation palette. I'm going to dip into this shade right here and put that into the crease. I did both eyebrows off camera. That was like really hard. I think I'm blending better than I do with my right hand. This was not bad for doing it with my left hand. I mean, I could have definitely blended better or like took a little more time. Not even gonna lie, like my hand hurts from being up here. I'm in pain. Then I'm just gonna take this little pretty sparkly, this more like almost like a glitter topper shade, and put that like just all over the lid. It's really pretty, and do it like softly, or you can like lay it on a little thicker. Was I really not recording that? I think I just literally killed this wing in real life with my left hand and perfected it and wasn't recording. You guys missed that I really just went for it and went woo! And the grace of God's hands really took over and really, I mean, it's a long wing, but like it's pretty like sharp. And I'm gonna be very sad if I look and I see that I didn't record that, because I really just don't know how this other one's gonna turn out. Everything on this side is actually a lot harder to do. Let's see if I get the same look. Probably not. I did it worse! Okay, now I'm gonna do foundation. Oh wow, should I squeeze that with my left hand? It doesn't really make it.
Just feel like I did my makeup.
I did my makeup.
My brother and sister are so mad.
Per usual.
That doing this challenge with my left hand. They said that I don't look like bad, and they expected me to, well, he explained it by like this. He expected me to look like this. Next, I'm gonna use this KKW concealer and highlight under my eyes. It's about the challenge, and I just...
No, you didn't do a challenge!
Sorry, now we found out I'm ambidextrous.
Ambidextrous.
When did Caleb become an English professor?
Butter bronzer. Bam, left hand. Woo. Quick, ambidextrous. And then I'm gonna take this Anastasia Amrezy highlight and put it on the apples. I'm gonna do this Burt's Bees blush. Okay, so this is what I came up with using my left hand, and not gonna lie, like, so what, I don't care if you guys are haters, like, it did come out, like, not terrible, but, like, I mean, if you zoom in, it's not the best. I mean, that wing just was, like, by chance, but, like, the brows were hard. I didn't really fill them in. The blending is just not there. You know, it's just, like, things do look a little patchy. It was really hard, especially the lip. So that's it for my version of the left-handed makeup challenge, and I think I did kind of good. What do you guys think? Did you expect me to do this good, or did you expect me to do a lot worse? Leave the comments down below. What do you think? What did you think? So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.